Deals, we have a Hitachi ZX135 unit. Gonna give you a quick little walk around video, let you see this machine. It's got 13,000 hours on it. Besides that, it's got a pretty nice little unit. Nice little undercarriage on it. Still got pretty good life. Pins are smooth and round. Don't need to be turned. The pumps are dry on this unit. We've opened it up, took pictures. There is a little bit of seepage here from this cylinder. Nothing that's gonna affect the operability of it. This one's nice and dry. Vent plate looks like it's been rubbed off from dirt of some sort. Pretty common. Rockland hydraulic quick connect coupler, and it's all working pin-on style. Pins seem to be pretty tight for a 13,000 hour unit. Go ahead and get up here and show you any blow by, if any, on the motor. Nice and clean and dry. Clean and dry oil, or excuse me, no bitter oil. All the glass is intact. Looks like the GPS system or whatever device this is broken. This is all intact. Interior is pretty clean. No rips or tears on the seat. Original cover. AC does work. It's blowing cold right now. 13,008 hours on it. Hydraulic quick coupler box. 2-speed unit. Does have automatic idle control. The AC is working good again. All the lights seem to be working just fine. That is not operable. No big deal though. It does have a guard here, aftermarket guard. About a 1 yard bucket, about a 3/4 yard bucket. Clean little machine for 13,000 hours. Ready to go to work for somebody. This unit is available through Equipment Deals. This unit's located out of Irving, Texas. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call at 1-855-EQ-DEALS or 1-972-666-9501. This is a nice little fair hour unit, ready to go to work with somebody. Thanks.